Hi everyone. So welcome to the part 2 of data modeling in Power BI. So in our part 1 we have seen that how we can create a star schema on our AdventureWorks data set. So this was a star schema which we have created, and if I show you the report view which we have created in our last video where the order quantity was showing as the total order quantity, now it has automatically modified to each product's order quantity as soon as the table becomes related to each other. Now this video we are going to see how we can edit the existing relationship. So to edit the existing relationship, there are two possibilities. Either you want to modify a relationship or you want to delete a relationship. So let us go ahead and check out these two options. So to edit a relationship, we will go to again the manage relationships tab. And here we will select the relationship that we want to edit. Okay. So suppose in our sales data, we have connected order date with the calendar lookup tables date. Now suppose I want to edit it. Okay. So as soon when you click it, there will be three dots that appear. And in the three dots, you can either select delete this relationship or edit this relationship. Our intention is to edit it. So I'm going to click edit. It will again open me the same dialog box of, when we created the relationship. So here from the date or the calendar lookup field, we want the same table to be, we want the same column to be linked. But instead of order date, now we want the stock date to be linked. So here I will click on this particular column. So I am just editing the relationship, the primary key being date only from the calendar lookup table, but foreign key this time I want the stock date to be the foreign key. I will click save, and as I click save, this relationship will be modified, and picture wise you won't see much effect, but different things will be connected over here, which is the stock date will be now collected to the date field. Okay, so this is how you can modify an existing relationship. So suppose you have automatically built the relationship using the auto detect feature of Power BI, and if you feel that hey, there are certain relationships which are missing or need editing or need a deletion, then you can go ahead and do these using these options. Now for deletion of any relationships, the first way is you can delete it from here directly, and the second way is you can click on a relationship. Okay, right click it and it will show you the delete. Okay, so suppose I delete this territory lookup thing, so I can click delete and it will show me the message and it will delete this relationship. Okay, so here of course if the deletion was not required, so I'm going to link it again. So territory key I'm going to link to the sales territory key, and the relationship will be again established. All right, so this part shows us the relationship modification and deletion uh, options.